Welcome to the A for Confidence series, Awareness, Acceptance, Authenticity, and Action. I'm Eija, and this series is especially for men and women over 50 who are ready to rebuild their confidence, open their heart, and create life and love that truly fits. Each week we go deep, we do the real work. No sugarcoating, just loving guidance, practical steps, and the inspiration you need to move forward. In the description box below is the link to a workbook you can download so you don't have to worry about taking notes. So take a breath, open your heart just a little, and let's begin today's transformation. There is a moment on healing journey when everything shifts, not because life suddenly gets easier, but because you finally stop fighting yourself. I have to tell a funny story. When my son was about 4 or 5 years old, I heard all kinds of noise coming from the living room, and I went to ask him, "What are you doing?" And he said with the biggest smile on his face, "I'm fighting with myself." I have thought of that from time to time because as adults we do that, but not with a smile. Acceptance isn't surrender. Acceptance is the beginning of your power, and we can fight for ourselves. We can be on our side. Acceptance isn't loving every part of your life. It's about saying, I am here, this is my reality, and I'm ready to meet it honestly. When I was rebuilding my life, acceptance gave me something I had lost: peace. And from that peace became a right, steady inner light, a part of me that had always been there, but it was just waiting to shine again. Acceptance is when you stop pretending, you stop shrinking, you stop hiding behind masks. The strong one, the busy one, the I am fine one. When you accept who you are becoming someone who's present, interesting, interested, real, and the real is magnetic. In my coaching, I don't give people all the answers. I ask the right questions because your answers are the ones that matter. Questions like, what stories are running in the background that are dimming your light? With those stories, what emotions come up? What are you avoiding because it feels uncomfortable? These questions bring clarity, and clarity creates acceptance. My moment of acceptance was simple but powerful. I finally realized I needed to love myself. Not perfectly, not only when I did everything right. My love for myself didn't vanish when I saw my shortcomings. It supported me. It was my personal cheerleader. It helped me to grow into better, stronger, more joyful woman. Acceptance didn't make me smaller. It made me whole. People think acceptance is passive, but true acceptance creates movement. I took courses, I talked to therapists, and I accepted that I did not have to stay stuck, and I took action. That is what acceptance is in action. Acceptance naturally leads to courage, not the dramatic kind, but the one that says, I don't want to live like this anymore. I'm ready to take a step. I'm done avoiding what my soul wants. This message is for anyone who has lost hope, but wants to believe again. Men, women, it doesn't matter. The heart works the same way. Acceptance is loving truth with firmness, a little fire, a lot of joy, and absolute clarity. And you are the catalyst for your change. And this is where it begins. Thank you for being here and doing this work. It matters more than you know. Change doesn't happen all at once. It happens step by step, one shift, one moment of honesty, one brave action at a time. If today's episode spoke to you, let me know in the comments. Your experience helped someone else feel less alone. And if you are ready to take this deeper, subscribe so you don't miss the next part of the A for Confidence series. Remember, you are not too old, too late, or too broken. You are becoming. And I'm right here with you every step of the way. I'll see you next week. Love and light. Bye.